Welcome, today I'm running new Realme 10 Pro Plus and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll and tap to the sound and vibration. Here we can see the section with the vibration settings. Just to turn on or turn off the vibration on ring mode, you should tap on the switcher to turn it on or turn it off. If you want to switch vibration intensity, just click on this section, and to switch it, we should just hold and slide to the left or to the right the dots on the vibration on ring or notification vibration panels. If you want to set the don't disturb mode, to turn it on or turn it off, to set the schedule, the start and the end time of the DND mode, you should make it here. If you want to just allow calls, messages, just notifications for many peoples or apps, you should also click here to the sections, and just to use the ring for repeated calls and to silence media in don't disturb mode. You should also touch the switchers to turn them on or turn them off. Just to change the sound mode to the vibration or ring mode or silent, just select one from these available modes. To change the media, ringtone notifications and alarm volume panels, just hold and slide to the left or to the right side these dots. If you want to change ringtone or notification sound, you should make it here just by select the section and just to click to the section and select one from these available sounds. To change the real sound technologies from smart to movie, game or music, you should just select one from these available switchers. And to change the haptics and tone settings, let's go here. To use the system haptics, you should tap on the switcher to turn them off or turn them on, and to change the haptic intensity, we should also slide to the left or to the right side this dot. Also we can here change the settings how touches feel, so we can switch it from crisp to gentle. And in sound settings, here we can turn on or turn off the dial button, screen lock and lock sounds, screenshot sounds, deletion sounds, touch sounds, and fingerprint animation sounds. So just to use all of these options, we should click on each of the switcher. So let's go back, and in more settings also we can see the volume button function. Now we have selected the media volume. When we'll switch it here to the ringtone volume by press to the up or down volume button, we'll change the ringtone or the media. And we can switch here the default recorder from off to select to add on and to use the in-ear monitoring option. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.